wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Surprise! Happy birthday, kids!
Yay!
We're celebrating a birthday party just for you!
Yeah, this is amazing! You guys have this so amazing party set up? Wow!
Yeah!
Yeah!
We got a boys bag right over here because it's all blue and has a squid on there.
Yeah.
And we have a girls bag over there for all of our girls.
Yeah, it's got the unicorn, and I bet there's some really cool presents that you guys are gonna get. Yeah, for your birthdays!
Whatever you want, right?
Yeah, and look at this really cool birthday hat.
That's our birthday hat,
wow.
too. So we thought today we're going to go over a couple items that you'll need for your birthday party.
Yeah, some really, really fun things.
Exactly. If you're a boy or a girl, it doesn't matter. We got all of the items covered.
Yep, we got everything you might ever want.
Yep.
Let's see. Should I show something first?
Okay, you go first.
Okay, I'm going to show these are poppers. Yeah, so they're birthday poppers, so you can pop them, and they're called party poppers. And then you pop them, and confetti flies everywhere. Like, woo, for your birthday. That's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
And then I have happy birthday candles here.
Woo.
You see?
Yeah, happy birthday candles. Oh, wait, I think...
We should spell happy birthday.
Oh, yeah.
But you have yours too.
Yeah,
Those are what's glitter. So this is maybe more for the boys, and yours is more for the girls because it's glitter.
Yeah, these are the glitter ones.
But how about we spell happy birthday for the kids?
Yeah, okay, let's spell it. So,
Okay. H-A-P-P-Y. That's one word.
That's happy.
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 And then birthday is B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y.
I messed up. Should we do it again?
Yeah, we should do that
Okay.
again.
Sorry, kids. I just got so excited to get to the happy birthday part. Okay. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday!
And together, it spells
Happy birthday! Yay!
Oh, now we should do the song too. So we can put those aside.
Okay. Oh, we can explain though. So these are candles that go on your cake, and then we'll sing happy birthday to you before you blow them out and make a wish.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But you got to be careful. Let your parents put the candles on, and then once they're all on, you can go and then blow them out.
That's a grown-up thing.
While you do it, you close your eyes and you make a wish.
Yeah.
And that wish will come true if you really, really, really believe in it.
Yeah.
But we at Dream Again, we believe in all dreams, don't we?
Yeah, I totally believe in all dreams.
Yep.
I wonder too, you guys, maybe not before it comes true, because you're not supposed to tell anyone your wish, but once it comes true, you could write in and tell us what you wished for.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'd love to know your guys' wishes. Or you could draw pictures of your wishes.
Yeah.
Any of that stuff.
Yep, sounds good.
Yeah. Oh, should we sing so they can make their wishes?
Yeah, because then we can also show all of the dreams and wishes that came true, because then all the kids know that dreams and wishes can come true.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll sing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear kids. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Woo!
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, and then you go whoosh, and blow out the candles.
Yeah, then we blow out the candles. And then we open all the gifts.
Yeah, open all the presents, and there's paper flying and
cards
and
to
oh
read.
Yeah. There's lots of cards with lots of pictures.
But we're not gonna do that here because obviously you have your own gift, and I'm gonna have some birthday gift for Olivia, and I'm sure, hopefully, Olivia's gonna give you.
I have some for you, lots. But yeah, we don't want to open presents on your birthday. We want you to open presents on your birthday.
Exactly.
Otherwise, it would be our birthday, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's how we'll do it. But
perfect.
I think our last thing that we can do for the kids.
Yeah.
Guess what I have?
that is. What is it?
It's a high five popper. Give me a high five.
popper?
Well, I
Should we move
put-
the hat?
Yeah, I'll move the hat. I'll move the hat to this side.
Perfect. And let's do
High five!
high five.
Yay! Happy
Woo!
birthday!
Wow, that was awesome.
Yeah, do it again.
Yeah, high five.
Woo!
Woo! That was so cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now we've done that.
Can you do my popper?
Yeah.
Here, let's do this one.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Point it towards the kids where they can see it come out.
Is this the direction?
Nope, other way, other way.
The other way?
Yeah,
Okay,
the
I'll
string
hold
goes
it.
to the back.
And then
what we do is, hold on, it's not. Okay, so we grab the string and then we'll say 1, 2, 3.
Oops, I let go.
I just pulled it right out of your hand.
Oops,
huh?
I'm sorry.
Okay, hold on.
I didn't hold it tight enough.
Let me make sure I have it. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
ready?
Oh, you got it tight?
Okay, I think so.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that time the string slid out of my finger.
Now I held it too tight.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
Okay,
I'm
let's do
wrapping
that
my finger.
again.
Okay, ready?
1,
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Party, party, party!
Oh, let's do that again. I want to do it
Okay,
too.
you want to do it? You
too.
want me to hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
Where's, okay, that's the opening. Okay, I got it.
Okay, how did you do it? Did you?
So yeah, I wrapped the string around my finger, but you can just
Okay.
pull, yeah? Are you ready? 1,
2,
2, 3.
Oh no. Why don't you do it and I'll hold it?
Okay, okay.
This
I
time
can
I'm
show
going to
you.
do a little bit higher.
Okay. Yeah, I wrapped it
Okay.
around my finger like that so I wouldn't let go. I wrapped it around my
Okay.
finger like that so I wouldn't let go.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Okay, one more. I want to do one
Yeah,
more.
you should do this one. Do you want to do this one?
Okay, I'll try, but
Okay.
you're much better at
No,
it.
I think that it's just practice.
Okay.
You haven't tried it before, have you?
Okay, no, I haven't.
Okay.
But it's so much fun.
Yeah, I'll hold it this way.
And then just wrap it around my
Yeah, just
finger.
wrap it around your finger and then pull real hard. I can't see. There. Yeah, wrap it around your finger. I'm going to point up. Okay. And you got it?
I think so.
Okay.
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
Woo!
Happy
Yeah,
birthday!
Oh,
One more.
wait,
I think we have one more.
Oh, yeah, and we should. And after we do this one, let's do a surprise of singing happy birthday. Okay.
We did
okay.
that, though.
No, but we're going to pop her and then sing the song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'll be a big surprise.
Okay, I got
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay, I'll hold it and you pull, yeah?
Okay.
Or do you want me to pull? You pull? Yeah, you pull because you only did one. 1,
2,
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear kids. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And
on
many more.
Channel 4.
What?
Yeah, do you know that?
No,
it's
I
a
don't.
funny after the song part. So it goes, and many more on Channel 4 and Scooby Doo on Channel 2. Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, it's like a funny part.
That is a funny part.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
now I want to open my gift.
Me too. And I want to do more poppers and more high five confettis.
Yeah.
Yeah. High five. Woo!
Okay,
Yeah.
here's my gift for you.
Okay, and here's my gift for you. And there's yours.
Thank you. Oh, this is
Thank
so
you.
exciting.
This is awesome.
Well, kids, we wish you all a happy birthday. We're going to open our presents
Oh, yeah,
now.
yeah. Happy birthday, kids.
Happy birthday,
have
kids.
Fun, have fun.
Have fun, have a
Bye.
great day, and
Happy-
have fun playing and doing whatever you want to do. And I hope you
Yeah.
get awesome gifts.
Yeah, and I hope you have a really, really, really good time and that people sing really loud to you. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. Bye.
Oh, Olivia, you got me some more
Whoa.
Beyblades. So cool. Thank you so
Yeah.
very much.
Wow, and you got me a magic wand.
I did.
Wow, and some fairy wings. This is so neat. I
Cool.
love this. Yeah, I got so much
Yay.
good stuff. Yay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below.